Kharoof Mahshi, roast stuffed kid. A main dish from Saudi Arabia. Serves 2. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Have butcher prepare kid for roasting. Rinse inside and out. Wipe dry. Step 2. Rub carcass both inside and out with mixture of half a cup of the onions and the seasonings. Step 3. Mix rice with nuts, raisins, 1½ cups onion, and stuff the animal. Sew the opening. Step 4. Put the stuffed kid in a large pan. Pour melted fat over it and roast in a slow oven until meat is very tender and outside well browned. Step 5. Baste frequently with pan drippings. Or, roast outdoors on a rotisserie over charcoal for best flavor. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.